Hi everyone, my name is Robbie and I am a 7th grade math student in Mr. Balsam's class. In our class we use a bunch of technology and we just actually finished a lesson that had some technology usage in it and he wanted me to share it with you. So here it goes. Our lesson was on simplifying algebraic expressions, and in order to do that, Mr. Balsam had us play Dragon Box 2 on our iPads as a warm-up for about 10 minutes every day before getting into this lesson. And we didn't know it at the time, but Dragon Box was actually a form of algebra. So when it came to the day of the lesson, we started by developing a vocabulary to use that had all the different tiles. The dice ones were numbers, positive and negative. And then all the other symbols were variables, which was really cool. And then Mr. Balsam showed us that all of the problems that we were doing in Dragon Box were actually just us solving algebraic expressions and as well as simplifying them. So we were able to take what we had learned from Dragon Box and put it into terms of algebra. So we got a lot of practice with that on the first day. On the second day, we started the day with a quizzes, which is an online quiz tool. And I really liked this because it had memes like this one of the baby that told us if we were doing the questions correctly or incorrectly, giving us positive feedback as students while we were taking the test, which was kind of nice. And then after we were finished with the quizzes, Mr. Balsam had us log into our IXL accounts, and he had us working with different students in different groups, working on different skills. I asked my friend Charlie, I remember, and we were doing different sets of problems. His were a little bit more easy. Mine were a little bit more difficult, which was interesting, but at the same time, we were both getting similar practice on what we had been learning about simplifying expressions. So I don't know, that I just thought it was really nice that Mr. Balsam had gave us the opportunity to work on different things during the second day. And then on the third day, Mr. Balsam put us into pairs, and in our pairs, there were two challenge problems given. One partner worked on one while the other partner worked on another. And after some really difficult minutes, I guess you could say, the problems were pretty hard. We got to see how well we did on these, and we actually compared and noticed that these problems were very similar in the ways that they were solved. So we got to do that too. And I just wanted to say that this lesson was really great. It allowed me to see the different types of algebraic expressions. I got to break down big problems into smaller ones by identifying the like terms and then combining them. I was able to work with a group. I got to persevere through problems, and I just really think that this would be a good lesson for others to have. So I hope you enjoyed it too. Thank you.